The talk that I'm going to give this afternoon is in some sense in the areas of data mining and cloud computing, as the title in some way say. So we discussed before in the panel about the large amount of data that today is available and that we have to deal with it. And in some sense, one side of the coin is data availability. So we have a lot of data available, but the other side of the coin is data deluge. Because you know, some decades ago, 1 century ago, the main problem was the shortage of information. So, you know, many people said information is power. Today we have a lot of data, but the point is that how to extract usable information for this very huge amount of data. And so, as I said before, this data is coming with an associated complexity because it's not well-structured data, it's not integrated data, so it's coming from different sources, and it's very hard to deal with this data. So this is just to give you an outline of my talk. I try to, in the first part of the talk, introduce the use of clouds for data analysis, and then the idea of implementing a collection of services for providing scalable data analysis, especially when data is the data sets are very large and are distributed, so are coming from these distributed repository of sources. And so I discussed data mining workflows, in particular service-oriented workflows for data analysis. And in the second part of the talk, I will show an example of a framework that we implemented for providing such kind of collection of services. This environment is called Data Mining Cloud Framework, and one of the languages that we use in this environment is JS for Cloud, that could be used for programming service-oriented workflows on the clouds. And at the end, we have some final comments. So, as we discussed before, we have to deal with big and complex problems, and in general, in many cases, we use clouds. We use high-performance computing systems, we use distributed architectures, we use parallel systems,